Even a small inconsistency in your immigration records can delay the processing of your application. Something as simple as unclear citizenship information or missing documentation may lead immigration officers to request additional evidence before making a decision. That's why providing a clear and professional explanation letter can be an important part of keeping your application complete and accurate. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to write a citizenship explanation letter step by step. We'll go through every section of the letter, discuss what you should write, explain why each part is important, provide a complete sample, and share practical guidance along the way. By the end of this video, you'll know how to prepare a professional explanation letter that supports your immigration application. Let's get started. Our first section is the sender's information. This section appears at the top of the letter and includes your full name, mailing address, email address, and phone number. This section identifies who is submitting the letter and gives U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Services a way to contact you if additional information is needed. Make sure all your contact details are current and match the information included in your immigration application whenever possible. Next is the date. The sample uses the current date, August 3, 2026. Including the date helps establish when the explanation was written and becomes part of your official application record. Always use the actual date you prepare and submit the letter. Now, let's write the recipient's information. This identifies the agency responsible for reviewing your immigration application. If you do not know the specific officer handling your case, addressing the letter to the immigration officer is entirely appropriate for official correspondence. Next comes the subject line. The sample states, Subject: Explanation regarding citizenship information. Your subject line should immediately explain the purpose of the letter. Since immigration officers review many documents during the application process, a clear subject helps them quickly identify why this explanation has been included. After that comes the salutation. The sample says, Dear Immigration Officer, this is a professional and respectful greeting that is appropriate whenever the reviewing officer's name is unknown. Now let's begin with the opening paragraph. Here's the sample. I am writing to provide clarification regarding the citizenship information submitted as part of my application. I understand the importance of providing complete and accurate information to U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Services, and I would like to explain the circumstances related to my documentation. The opening paragraph immediately explains why you're writing. Rather than waiting until later in the letter, you clearly state that your purpose is to clarify information related to your citizenship. This is important because immigration officers need to understand the reason for every supporting document included in an application package. Beginning with a straightforward explanation makes your letter easy to follow and demonstrates your willingness to cooperate throughout the immigration process. Now let's move to the second paragraph. The sample reads, I was born in Toronto, Canada, on May 18, 1994, and I am currently a citizen of Canada. I have lawfully resided in the United States as a permanent resident since September 2019 and have continuously complied with all applicable immigration laws and requirements throughout my residency. This paragraph provides the factual background regarding the applicant's citizenship and immigration history. Whenever you're writing this type of explanation letter, present the facts clearly and accurately. Include information such as your country of citizenship, place of birth if relevant, immigration status, and any other important background that helps explain your records. Avoid unnecessary details that do not relate to the purpose of the letter. The goal is to provide accurate information in a simple and organized manner. Now, let's discuss the third paragraph. Here's the sample. During the preparation of my application, I realized that additional clarification regarding my citizenship history would help ensure that my records are complete and accurate. I have never held citizenship in any country other than Canada, nor have I ever renounced or lost my citizenship. Any differences in previous records relate solely to administrative documentation and not to my actual citizenship status. This is the heart of the explanation letter because it addresses the issue requiring clarification. If there is any discrepancy, confusion, or missing information in your records, explain it honestly and directly. Your explanation should focus on facts rather than emotions. If an error resulted from administrative paperwork, translation differences, or clerical issues, clearly explain that while remaining truthful. Remember that immigration officers appreciate transparency. A well-organized explanation often helps prevent misunderstandings during the review process. Now let's continue with the supporting documents paragraph. The sample says, "To assist with the review of my application, I have enclosed copies of my Canadian passport, permanent resident card, birth certificate, and any other supporting documents requested. I respectfully submit these documents to verify my citizenship history and provide a complete record for your review. Whenever possible, support your explanation with relevant documentation. Depending on your circumstances, this may include your passport, birth certificate, permanent resident card, citizenship certificate, court documents, or other official records." Mentioning these attachments tells the immigration officer exactly what evidence accompanies your explanation and helps make the review process more efficient. Now let's move to the closing paragraph. The sample reads, "I sincerely appreciate your time and consideration of this explanation. My intention is to ensure that all information associated with my application is accurate, transparent, and fully supported by the appropriate documentation. If any additional information or documentation is required, I will promptly provide it." This paragraph reinforces your commitment to providing complete and accurate information. It also demonstrates your willingness to cooperate if USCIS needs additional documents or clarification. Ending on a respectful and cooperative note reflects professionalism and shows that you're committed to complying with the immigration process. Finally, close your letter with, "Sincerely, Noah Whitman." If you're mailing a printed copy, remember to sign your name above your typed name before submitting the letter. A signature adds authenticity and completes the document professionally. Before we finish, here are a few important things to remember whenever you prepare a citizenship explanation letter. First, always be completely honest and accurate. Never guess dates, hide information, or provide explanations that cannot be supported by official records. If there is an error or inconsistency, explain it clearly and provide documents that verify your explanation whenever possible. Immigration applications rely heavily on accurate information, so consistency across all forms and supporting documents is extremely important. Also, keep your explanation focused on the issue that requires clarification. Avoid including unrelated personal information or lengthy stories that do not help explain your citizenship history. Before submitting your letter, carefully review every name, date, place, and document reference to ensure everything matches your application. A clear, well-organized, and truthful explanation letter can help immigration officers understand your records more easily and contribute to a smoother review process. That brings us to the end of today's tutorial. I hope this step-by-step guide has helped you understand how to write a professional citizenship explanation letter. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our future writing tutorials. Thank you for watching Writing Tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video.